This is the technical bit. So door up, lift it into the bath. Now we're only talking about a bath screen here, not a standard shower screen, which would be on a hob. So I'll just get this up into the top. Sits up in there, and it sits on the track. Just keep hold of it while you're actually rolling it, just to make sure it's all sitting properly. Just slide it across. So now that I've put the door onto the tracks, I've got to put these hooks over that track. I don't do that till now, I just want to see if the rollers are actually working first. So just lift it up into the top cavity, put it over the track, and then down slowly. Takes a little bit of skill. That's it. It slides nicely, it's not jumping off the tracks. You can see how well that's actually rolling now. I mean, it's beautiful and smooth, it's the right action. Now, I'm going to bring this right across to the wall because this is the next trick. So basically, what I want to happen is for this bottom corner and that door jamb and this top corner and this door jamb, as it's coming across, to hit top and bottom at exactly the same time. In this case it's not, and we're going to have to adjust the rollers. So you can hear it, so it hits at the bottom, hits at the top, hits at the bottom, hits at the top. So that's got to be dead square. Hit at the top, hit at the bottom. So door's got to come out again. So up, in, out, down. This roller has to come down to lift the door up. So it lifts the door into there. So basically, screwdriver, it's very simple. Get it on the roller and actually bring the whole roller down about 3 or 4 millimeters. This can take 4 or 5 adjustments. Tighten him up, back up into the cavity. And you can do this without putting the hooks on. Okay, now it's hitting at the top and not hitting the bottom. So out it comes again. Same roller, just adjust it so it goes up about 2 mil. Literally it's 1 and 2 millimeter adjustments. On, back in, top and bottom. Hear it, doesn't jump, doesn't bang. So it's hitting at the top, hitting the bottom exactly the same time. All right, so I know that door's set in the correct spot, so I'll pull it out again. Get the screwdriver. Tighten it as hard as you can. Sometimes when you're tightening the screw up, what happens is it torques onto the shaft and it lifts the roller up a touch more. So just double check it again. And that's exactly what happened in this case. So it's hitting at the bottom again. As you can see, it's not an exact science. You're talking 1/2 mil here, 1 mil here, 1 mil there. Back into the cavity. That should be perfect. Okay, that's one door done. Make sure it slides back to the other wall. It won't actually go back to the other wall because this panel will stop it at about there. So you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about this corner on the adjustment. Right, okay, next door. Just slip it into the bath recess a little bit. Lift it up onto the rollers. What I'm doing is actually lifting this door up and then putting it into that E-block. Okay, so that E-block actually holds the door in place. Lift him up. One of the tracks. Get this middle door. I'm just going to slide it across so it hits the top and the bottom at the same time. So what happens here is this block goes behind that block on the lead door. So the middle door block goes behind this one. So you get the inside door, bring them up nice and close, get a grip on the framework, lift it up a touch and in and just slide it past. Just put the roller back down and then that's in the correct position. So there you have it, the old 3-door 1990s Ezy Glide shower screen, working better than you. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, and if you do need some parts to repair your old shower screen or newish shower screen, please click on the link below and it will take you to our parts website. Thanks so much, Ian, back on track.